Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to install Bloodstained Ritual of the Night game for free in Epic Games Launcher. So here follow the steps. Open Epic Games Launcher and in the search for Bloodstained Ritual of the Night and then click on this Bloodstained Ritual of the Night. And here we'll see this get button, and this game is absolutely free. The sales end on 12/24/2025, so the free sales will end on 24th December. So click on this get button. Just wait, it is loading your order, and then click on place order. Just wait, and then you will see this view in library option. So click on view in library and the game will be added to your library. So click on this install button and then again click on install button. You guys to allow, and then you can see the game is installing on my PC. You can also click on this arrow icon, which is a download icon, and here you can see Bloodstained Ritual of the Night game is getting installed on my PC. So this is how you can download and install Bloodstained Ritual of the Night game for free until 24 December 2025 on Epic Games Launcher. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.